Having trouble logging into your Ultra Mobile account? The most common issues are related to passwords, multi factor authentication, and account locks. If your password isn't working, initiate a password reset via the app or website using your phone number or email. A one time code will be sent to verify your identity, allowing you to create a new password. For MFA problems, ensure your device is compatible and try resending the code or switching methods in your settings. Account locks often occur after multiple failed login attempts or suspected suspicious activity. To unlock your account, you'll need to verify your identity. Remember to proactively monitor for phishing attempts. If problems persist, try clearing your app cache, updating the app, or using incognito mode. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve your login problems, disable any VPNs as they can interfere with MFA codes. Contact Ultramobile support via online chat or by calling 1-888-777-0446 for further assistance. Looking ahead, Ultramobile is piloting biometric logins like facial recognition to reduce MFA friction. Cybersecurity trends are improving login security with AI-driven fraud detection. In the near future, expect seamless authentication through integration with digital identity wallets for one-tap logins. Mandatory MFA for all accounts and a shift away from SMS-based MFA are also anticipated to enhance security.